So today I'm taking a look at Roundups. This is a way to generate affiliate marketing roundup blog posts that compare different types of products. The product was kindly given to me for review, so thank you very much to the team. And just scrolling down, this is currently on AppSumo, so you can grab a lifetime deal. And the tiers are pretty well spaced out. You can have a number of roundups per month, so you can either have 10, 50 or unlimited. And the roundups themselves can feature up to 10, 25 or 50 products. I think 50 products is perhaps a little bit too many, but there you go. And then below those numbers, everything else is the same. They're all SEO optimized, unlimited words, languages, etc., etc. So once you've bought and set up your account and you log in, you'll be dropped into a very simple to use dashboard. The first thing you'll want to do is get your integrations set up. So you can see I've already done a few of these roundup posts. Head to my integrations, and at the time of review, you can add your Amazon Associates affiliate link. And if you're an AppSumo affiliate, which I am, you can also add your impact account details, and it can generate the affiliate links required for AppSumo product details. It can then publish these to WordPress, Ghost, and it looks like they've just added, I've not added it on myself yet, it looks like they've also added a new way of earning commissions, and they're planning to add a lot more so that you can generate roundup style posts for a range of different marketplaces. So it's looking like this could be a really good tool in the long run. So how do you get started? Well, let's just hit create new. So I'm going to do an AppSumo one, or I could do the Amazon one, or this is brand new, I've not tried this one yet. So what's our audience interest? Well, let's say blogging. You could probably type a lot more if you want to do age and gender, but I'm just going to give it one word, blogging. Let's see what it comes up with. So it's now going to give us a focus. So let's have a little look. These are the kind of things that bloggers might be interested in. So web builders, lead gen, email marketing, project management, content marketing. We've then got a drop down for the SEO data to see the kind of keywords that are being searched for. And so we can see that there is interest in content marketing. So let's just try another one. So of interest. There you go, web builders. So conversational tone, we've got the usual sort of things that you can select. Let's select persuasive. I want it in English, second person. Call to action is buy now. The format, single product, head to head, 3 columns, or ranker. Not tried that, let's try that one. Number of products to include, so this is where your limit is, so the 25, 50 or 10, so let's just do 10 because I've not tried that yet. Hit next. Next up, it's going to generate the headlines. So this is your blog title. I like that one, but you can see it's come up with quite a few more. Or if you don't like any of these and you've got your own idea, you can write yours in and select it, and that way when you publish the article, it will push through the title that you've decided on, whether it's one of these or your own. So it's now pulled in products for me to take a look at. It's given us the review rating, the number of reviews. It would be great to see some filters on this page. I'd love to be able to say filter by rating. So only show me things that are over 4.6, for example. So let's have a little look. So this is 10 must-have lead gen tools. So we'll have some of that, some switchy for QR codes, closely for, oh, it's sold out, so we won't include that one. So marketing campaigns, we'll go with that. So it has pulled through things that would be useful. Now, why it's showing me the sold out, again, it'd be great to just filter out things that aren't available. Why would I want to be promoting those? Okay, so I've selected 10 products. I had to go through a couple of pages to find ones that I thought would fit. And then I'm just going to click create roundup. And that's it. Now it's generating the roundup, and it's going to generate the roundup using AI. It's going to write the post. It's also going to include the affiliate links to each of those products. So then if someone clicks through, as I'm sure you would love to click my affiliate down below to go and check out this on AppSumo, then I'll generate a little bit of money. So this took less than 5 minutes to create, and then I received an email telling me it was ready. So let's go in and view it. I've done nothing apart from everything you've seen. I've just selected the products and off it's gone. It's given us the title I chose. It's come up with the cover image. It's come up with the meta description here. We've got the intro. We've got the top picks, how it's selected. It's pulled through the images from AppSumo. That's quite cool. And then it's pulled through some of the what people say. So this is reviews from AppSumo. that's quite a cool one. And then if I look here, I can tell that that is my affiliate link. So these are all following the same template. So you can see they're all a little intro, what people say, key benefits. Okay, let's keep going. I'm glad I didn't select 50. And then wrapping up, we've got this really nice table. Now I would like the option to be able to say, put the table at the top rather than the bottom, as I think most of the time when I've seen this kind of table, people want to see that up front rather than have to wade through all the details. But it's great. I could edit that later on and move that table up, but we've got the image, we've got the rating, we've got the highlights, we've got pros, cons. That's really cool. And again, each of these is linking to the AppSumo deal via my affiliate link. So that's really good. So once you've got it ready, you can edit it. If I click edit, I can go in and I can move things around. I can type my own bits and pieces, whatever I need to do. I can preview it, or I can get ready to publish it. Now you can publish this in a few different ways. You can publish this to WordPress, which is what I would do, Ghost, which is not a platform I'm particularly familiar with at all, or a direct link. And so you might have this published as is, and then if you were doing some sort of, maybe you're doing a YouTube video like this where you're doing the roundups, and you say click below for more information, and that would be a direct link to this page where they could see more information, and then they've got access to all the affiliate links. So they've got all your bases covered, but I'm going to do it to WordPress, hit publish. You can have multiple WordPress sites integrated, so if you do have a few different blogs, maybe I'm doing SaaS tools on this one, maybe I'm doing cat bowls on a pet website, you then select the different websites, hit publish to WordPress. Here we have the post now on WordPress, but it's not quite ready to go live. There's a known bug at the moment where the image, the featured image, isn't being uploaded, nor does it add the excerpt, the meta description for you. And you can't select an author or the category, so it goes in as uncategorized. So you need to tidy that element up. I've now converted this to blocks so that I can edit it. And if we just scroll down, you see it's looking pretty good. For some reason, the review, the customer quotes are coming through as a list, a block list, rather than the quote option. So I might want to tidy those up. But otherwise, it is almost ready to go. A little bit of tidying up. And as I said earlier, maybe I'd want to change the structure of this and perhaps put the table at the top. So let's go down and just check that out. So yeah, so that's good. The tables come through, still looks really good. And if I wanted to, I could move that up to the top if I didn't want it as the last thing and I wanted it as the first thing. Then I'd hit publish and share the link. And so far, I'm quite impressed. These are getting reshared quite nicely. What I can then do is using a tool called Missing Letter, which is a very old AppSumo deal. I can then promote these blog posts, and you can see here's a couple I did over the weekend, and they've already got queued up 63 and 52 times to be shared out, shared once, and hopefully that will generate interest of people clicking through to my roundup and hopefully then clicking on the links and maybe making some purchases, maybe make me a little bit of money. And you can help with that. If you like the look of this, please click my affiliate link down below. That helps support me and the channel.